In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book hotel or flight with Booking.com. We'll walk through a clear, simple flow for booking a hotel, and you'll find the process very similar when you book flights on the platform. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to look for, and how to avoid common mistakes. First, open Booking.com and select the location you want to visit. In the big search bar on the homepage, start typing your destination. You can be broad, like a country or city, or get specific with a neighborhood or landmark. As you type, suggestions appear. Choose the one that best matches where you want to stay. Being precise helps the site surface more relevant places and clearer distances to the spots you care about. Next, select your check-in and check-out dates. Click the date field to open the calendar, then tap your arrival day, followed by your departure day. You'll see the number of nights update automatically. If your travel plans are flexible, try nearby dates to compare availability and pricing. Some properties have minimum stay rules or special weekend rates, so small shifts in dates can make a difference. Now click Search. This loads the results page for your chosen destination and dates. Give it a moment. There can be a lot to show. You'll see a list of properties along with prices for your stay. If you prefer, you can press Enter on your keyboard instead of clicking the button. From here, browse through the hotel options. Each card typically shows the property name, star rating, guest review score, location highlights, and a price estimate for your dates. Take a moment to scan the brief description and any tags like free cancellation or breakfast included. Use filters and sorting to narrow by price range, rating, amenities, or neighborhood, and switch to the map view if proximity matters. Opening a few promising options in new tabs can help you compare quickly. When a place catches your eye, click See Availability. This opens the property page with more photos, detailed descriptions, and the specific room types available for your dates. Read the room details carefully. Look for bed setup, size, included perks, and the cancellation and prepayment policy. Also note any additional fees or taxes so your total cost is clear. Once you've found the room you want, click I'll reserve. This takes you to the next step, where Booking.com guides you to confirm your choice. Review the summary on screen, make sure the dates and room type are correct, and follow the prompts to complete your reservation. That's it. You've just navigated the full flow from search to securing your stay.